You do not want to miss this promo because Greenfield City here in Santa Rosa, Laguna is offering all of their properties in Trava, Solen, and Zadia for their January price if you will reserve this month of March. So huwag kayong magpahuli, tutukan ng video na to para malaman nyo na ang makukuha nyong presyo, ang makukuha nyong computation ay yung presyo pa nila nung January kahit na March 2025 na ngayon. This is the promo na minsan lang po ang isang developer, actually my first time na makakita at maka-experience na binacktrack ni developer yung pricing niya para sa month ng March. So tumutok tayo, i-discuss natin isa-isa kung magkano at ano na nga ba yung development ng Greenfield City only here in Greenfield Nuvali, Santa Rosa City, Laguna. This is me again, Jaire Mamaklay, your property geek, and we are here in one of the best township developments only here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. This is Greenfield City, and you heard it right. I-discuss natin ngayon, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung paano kayo makakaabot para sa old price ng mga Greenfield properties from their lots in Solen Residences to their high-end or deluxe project which is Trava. And of course, if you want to invest in a condominium for your rental or passive income in the future if you retire, only in Zadia Condominium Project. Of course, very near Paseo de Santa Rosa. Pero una sa lahat, bago natin i-discuss yung mga computations, Jaire, bakit nga ba nagkakaroon ng ganitong pricing na parang, akala ko ba nagpa-price appreciate every month? Pero bakit nagkakaroon ng ganitong promo? Don't worry guys, hindi ibig sabihin po na baka lang maisip niyo ulit dahil merong condo oversupply only in Metro Manila. Again, ang condos oversupply natin only in Metro Manila po, hindi po kasama yung mga condos outside Metro Manila. Naapektuhan na or hindi na ba maganda yung real estate industry or yung investment sa real estate dyan sa Pilipinas? Well, ito is parang promo lang po ng developer para at least makahabol yung ibang nag-iisip mag-invest nung last quarter of last year pero this first quarter talagang naghahanap pa sila ng perfect timing kasi even before starting nung January talagang per month na po ang price appreciation for the Trava and patuloy pa rin po yung price appreciation ng Zadia for every 15 units sold or for every 15 unit reservation. Pero dahil alam nila na talagang bubulusok or magpa-price increase talaga or mag-accelerate po in the following quarter, so they are having this moment or chance this March na makahabol tayo kasi ngayon less than 50,000 per square meter para sa mga introductory na mga lot inventory natin sa Trava, their high-end project. Yung katabi nila na Georgia Club or Augusta nasa 70,000 per square meter. This year talagang ina-align po ni Greenfield City yung mga properties nila dun sa current market value. So habang hindi pa nila ina-align, habang nagbibigay pa sila ng chance, i-take na natin yung opportunity na to. Speaking of the market value appreciation over time, of course, major driver pa din yung mga ongoing developments and upcoming developments here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Of course, the SM Yulo Premier, the Convention Center na nasa pipeline inside Nuvali, yung mga civic hub, yung mga commercial area, museum for architecture and residences, mga luxury properties or projects na pe-penetrate na rin po yung market dito sa Santa Rosa. So talagang perfect timing po ngayon and at the same time, ako as an owner of a unit in Zadia kasi marami akong clients na nag-hesitate sila na bumili ng condo this time. Dahil nga hindi naman po secret na may condo oversupply talaga pero malaki talagang driver yung mga POGOs sa Manila kasi ang talagang major market nila or yung malaking chunk ng mga nagre-rent po sa kanila or bumibili ng property before are mga Chinese. But dito, dahil meron tayong techno park na hindi naman po dominated ng Chinese companies or POGO dito sa Santa Rosa, patuloy pa rin po yung rental dito. We have Korean companies, we have Japanese and American companies na pumupunta pa rin yung mga expats dito dahil even before POGO, meron na tayong Laguna Techno Park. Even before magka-condo dito, meron na po mga expats na nagbi-visit dito for 6 months to 1 year para mag-inspect sa sa mga factories nila na nandito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Nung wala pang condo dito, no, sa Alabang pa po sila nagre-rent, pero nung nagkaroon ng mga condominium developments and projects dito, at ito na nga si Zadia na most accessible but still the best value for money, dito na po sila. So sa Tower 2 kay Zadia, marami na tayong Koreans, Japanese, Americans na nakatira doon, and even po yung unit ko, no, na sa una parang hesitant ako na iparent, ngayon may nagre-rent po sa akin, pero mga clients ko po muna yung mga nagre-rent ngayon. And ang dami, may nakilala ko, no, dun sa Zadia na property manager siya, no? B2B, so may HR siya nakausap ng different companies, so bulk or maraming mga condo units po ang hinahanap nila. So if you are looking for a rental business, kung nakabili kayo dito ng place of retirement residences nyo or residence nyo, no, may bahay kayong ipapatayo sa lote na nabili nyo nun, well, hindi po mahirap magkaroon ng passive income dito as a rental business if you will buy a condo, dahil may market pa rin po talaga. Ako po mismo, buyer po, no, ng condo dito sa area. So, i-discuss natin kung ano yung promo ng Zadia ngayon. So, for Zadia, makukuha nyo pa yung January price niya of about only 4.9 million on the list price for 31 month to pay na monthly down payment for only around 26,000 pesos per month. So this is a steal because yung mga available natin na unit is at floor number 8 and floor number 9, which are lucky numbers. At alam naman natin na kapag may mga lucky numbers, mas matataas po, no, yung pricing ng nakalocate na mga condo units because of that lucky numbers. Lalo na sa mga ibang developments or condo projects in Manila. But now, because of our promo this March, kapag nakapag-reserve kayo, makukuha nyo yung January old price kahit na mga nasa lucky number kayo na walang premium, no? Or walang added payment dahil nasa 8th floor at 9th floor kayo. So for studio unit, 31 months to pay na down payment for only 26,000 pesos per month. And if you want a 1-bedroom unit, you can buy 2 adjacent units or tinatawag namin na combined units. So parang townhouse na yung floor area niya kasi nasa almost 50 square meters or 49.8 square meters na yung total floor area ng inyong condominium unit for only about around 45 to 50,000 pesos per month. Depende, of course, kung saan nakalocate. If nas parehas inner units or yung isa, nasa isang corner unit yung isang side, kaya mas may premium siya. At mas lumaki ng konti yung floor area niya. So that's Zadia, no? And again, no, there is no condominium oversupply outside Metro Manila. So safe na safe po kayo dito kay Santa Rosa. And fun fact, lahat po ng projects, no, may be lot, commercial lot, or condominium ni Greenfield City, ang address po niya lahat, Santa Rosa, Laguna. I'm always saying this, it's location, location, location. So talagang kung nasan yung address ng property nyo, if ang developments dito sa area is saturated sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, at if Santa Rosa yung address na nabili yung property, mas malaki yung chance, no, na mag-appreciate yung market value niya over time dahil nandito ang commercial development. So hindi po siya katulad ng ibang township project, no, na dahil sa sobrang laki na, ngayon ang address na ng mga new projects nila is already in Calamba, Laguna. And sa mga naghahanap po ng ready for occupancy units sa Zadia, we have available 2 units sa Tower 2. So, ang maganda dito, bukod sa ready for occupancy na siya, no, basta mabayaran nyo, no, yung spot down payment, makakalipat na kayo at mas mababa po yung presyo niya kaysa sa ongoing Tower 4 or pre-selling project nila. So, ang total contract price lang po nito, ang list price is 4.6 million plus the 4.5% miscellaneous or other charges, pero hindi po aabot ng 5 million itong unit na to. Again, advantage, ready for occupancy niya siya, pero dahil ma-occupy mo na as soon as possible dahil gawa na po yung Tower 2 at may mga nakatira na, 3 months to pay na lang po ang 15% down payment at around 106,000 pesos per month. Now, let's go to their best-selling project as of the moment. It's Solen Residences. So, ano ang kaibahan ni Solen Residences kay Trava? Actually, parehas lang naman sila ng mga technically, may pagkakaiba talaga kasi high-end na to si Trava eh. Underground na yung utilities natin 100% kay Trava. This is their high-end. Pero si Solen Residences, ito yung mid nila, semi-underground utility. Pero kapag i-compare mo sa ibang mid-project, no, mid-range project ng ibang big developers, parang nagiging katapat na rin ni Solen yung mga high-end project. Bakit? Siya lang po yung mid-project dito sa area na semi-underground utilities, nag-o-offer ng for as low as 150 square meter lot area para sa mga hindi naghahanap ng big lot cuts. Pero may community kayo na 45% of the total master plan community are dedicated for open spaces. Ang ganda, no, ng kanilang 1 hectare na clubhouse with a pool, with gym, with children's area, mga conference room. Nakikita niyo po ngayon, no, habang binabangkit ko, na pang high-end na po talaga and very well maintained. Actually, one of my favorite projects at cheaper siya, no, kaysa sa mga mid-end or mid-range project ng ibang developer at only 51,000 pesos per square meter versus dun sa mga katapat niya sa ibang developer na nasa 55,000 per square meter tapos Kalamba pa yung address. Pero ito, mas mura per square meter, walang spot payment, Santa Rosa address, and strategically located dahil pinakamalapit 3 minutes away kay The Medical City South Luzon, 3 minutes away kay University of Santo Tomas Laguna, and 2 minutes away only from SLEX Eton City exit going to Manila. So, para magka-idea kayo kung magkano siya for our promo this March for a 150 square meter lot, the total contract price would be 7,938,646 pesos, including other charges, transfer of title, wala na po tayong nagiging quote-unquote hidden charges. For 18 months, 39,415 lang po ang ating monthly down payment. Again, no spot payment and then 0% interest in the duration of 18 months. So, very, very good deal. At kung naghahanap naman kayo sa old faces nila, ngayon ko lang po ilalabas to, no? We have an available 311 square meter lot area, a corner lot on their old face. So kung more than 150 yung gusto nyo, we have 311 square meter corner lot in Solen Residences at 17.8 million for about 92,148 pesos per monthly down payment for 18 months also. So that is Solen Residences. Solen Residences is perfect, number 1, for building a family and for retirement home. Either of the two, no, na plano nyo. Dahil kung family, malapit, no, sa school, UST, twice the size of UST Manila. Kung nag-work ka sa Alabang, Makati, or BGC, or you wanna go to NAIA if you are a traveler, hindi rin kayo malayo sa SLEX exit. At of course, sa commercial area, New Valley, Paseo de Santa Rosa, Soledad, SM Yulo, at ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat, The Medical City, South Luzon. Guys, baka nai-information overload na kayo, no? So bago tayo tumalon sa isang project which is Trava, I want to take this opportunity na pasalamatan po kayo sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin. For the past year, it's not that easy for me. I took a break, I recalibrated, pero nandito pa rin po kayo to support, no, our YouTube channel. And you know that I'm a breadwinner and ang dami pa rin pong nag-i-inquire sa akin even up to now. And nagpapasalamat lang po ako kasi you appreciate kung ano po yung ginagawa ko, lalo na po sa mga clients natin abroad. And at the same time, I also appreciate you giving feedback, no, sa comment section na talagang lagi ko pong binabasa para mas mag-improve po, no, yung ating mga content. So maraming salamat, lalo na to, this is my long-time client, not just my client, pero nagre-refer siya, no, ng friends, ng mga kamag-anak, no. This is from Sir Paulo Cruz. So nabasa ko lang yung review niya sa ating Facebook page, The Property Geek, and ang ganda lang, no, gusto ko lang i-highlight because he said the name The Property Geek couldn't be a better fit. Jaire, thank you for your knowledge and unselfishness, willingness to help Olga and I through our journey into real estate investment. Being overseas and wanting to invest in Philippines isn't easy and somewhat a risk. We needed someone who was trustworthy and passionate about real estate investment in the Philippines. This is Jaire in a nutshell. He was able to share his personal experience at the same time, gave us an honest and professional advice. He continues to communicate and support us even if it is not necessary to do so, as he has fulfilled his obligations. What you see and perceive of him on his videos will only be justified when you meet Jaire in person. Enthusiastic, hardworking, we all know you are, professional and honest, Jaire the Property Geek, continue your hard work and we look forward to continuing our partnership and friendship. Thank you so much. So, ito yung isa sa mga nagiging evidences ko na what I do now is really my passion because it's already beyond the business. It's already beyond why I'm doing this, because not just for me to, of course, no, para ma-fulfill yung basic needs ko and ng family ko, but more importantly, the friendship, the relationship that I'm building with the people, no, na clients ko before na naging, of course, no, talagang yung ibang mommy na yung tawag ko. So maraming salamat po. Karamihan po kasi sa kanila, hindi taga dito sa Pilipinas, but you're putting your trust in me. So thank you. So let's move on sa Trava, no? So for Trava, guys, kung may mga naghahanap sa inyo ng mga high-end community, really, this is a high-end community. Only 315 lots. Yung iba, bulk buyer pa, kaya mas konti po ang magiging neighbors nyo in the future. And at the same time, fully underground utility. Napakita na namin sa inyo to many times. Again, nasa around 49 to 52,000 pesos per square meter pa lang po ngayon this March. Para sa ating old price noong January. Again, lagi ko rin itong sinasabi, 70,000 pesos per square meter na, no, yung ibang mga katabi niya na project na high-end, pero ito bago po, no, mas modern, pero best value for money. So, ganito naman talaga kilala ang Greenfield. So, their smallest lot cut ngayon is at 598 square meters at 30.7 million. You will just pay a reservation fee of about 100,000 pesos. The following month, magsisimula ang ating 24-month down payment at around 241,656 and 62 centavos. So again, this is the promo of the Greenfield City projects here in the Greenfield Nuvali area that are addressed lahat, no, Santa Rosa, Laguna. So if gusto niyo pong humabol, pwede pa po nating mahabol yung price, no, ng January at bago pa po sila magkaroon ng realignment with their price sa mga competitors nila from other developers here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat sa laging pagtutok. Hindi niyo po alam kung gaano ko na-appreciate kasi it's really not rainbows and butterflies. We have personal problems na dinideal, but yeah, pero pag naiisip ko na I can still do what I want, not just what I need to do dahil ito ang livelihood ko, but lagi ko naiisip, uy, nag-views pa rin tayo, nag-minimum 1,000 viewers pa rin tayo per video, and most of it are our Filipinos abroad na mas kailangan ko ma-appreciate kasi nagtitiwala silang manood kahit wala sila dito sa Pilipinas at nag-i-invest sila kahit wala sila dito. So, maraming salamat po from the bottom of my heart. If you want to inquire or just like you just want to know, no, more about real estate here in the Philippines, I'm always open for free consultation. It's +63 927 185 1590 for my local mobile number, iMessage, Viber, and WhatsApp account. Again, that's +63 927 185 1590. The Property Geek Facebook page, the Property Geek TikTok page, and of course, do not forget to subscribe and like our videos here in the Property Geek YouTube channel. I am still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section, and you can message me directly at my personal Facebook account. That is Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. Again, I'm always here in Santa Rosa, I'm living here, and I'm always open to help you fulfill your real estate goals only here in the Philippines. So I'm always inviting you to come home here in the Philippines, come home here in Santa Rosa, and again, this is Jaire Mamaklay, your property geek.